Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm back again with another cool strategy that I believe you can use if you love to trade the 1 minute. I know many people they are always looking for 1 minute scalping strategies. So this video I believe is also going to help you with your scalping for on the 1 minute time frame. If you're a scalper and you love scalping, go ahead and like the video. If you love this content, go ahead and like the video. That's how you let me know that I should keep on posting this kind of content. And if you are new on this channel, certainly go ahead and subscribe so that you do not miss any future videos. So if you're also wondering about the broker that I use, the links in the description box below. After doing my analysis here, I also go and do and place my trades with my broker. So the broker that I use, the link is in the description box below. They are one of the best brokers in the world, and I've been with them for 5 years now, and they've never had any problems regarding deposits and withdrawals. That's why I can recommend them to anybody. Now, scalping can be tough. Scalping can be tough, and you might not know when to enter and when to exit, when to buy, when to sell. So this quick and short video is just about a system that you can use to what? To do just that, using free indicators that are available on the TradingView platform. I do my trades on MetaTrader, but I do love the versatility and the functionality of a TradingView. That's why I also do my analysis on TradingView. So let's get into the system, how to set it up. So obviously I'm on the 1 minute time frame, as you can see there. So what you can do is, first of all, we are going to go to indicators, and we are going to search for half trend. Sorry, it should be one word. So we are going to use this one by Evergate, and you can see it has got about 6,000 downloads. So a lot of people are probably testing it out, and probably many people are finding value with it. So we're just going to click on that, and we're going to edit, and we're just going to take a moment to tweak this indicator. So we are going to come here where there's a gear there, and we're going to click on there, and we're going to come here. Let me just move this on the side so that you see the effects on our chart. We are going to remove the top ATR high. You can keep it, but I don't need it, so I'm just going to remove it, as well as the lower one. I want to keep my charts cleaner. That's what I am going for. I'm going for a cleaner look. So that's it about the style. You can play with the inputs here, but for now we're just going to use the default one. So we then go OK. Then the next thing that we're going to use, because we want to also filter out the trades, we are going to use our RSI. Yes, the famous RSI. We are also going to use the RSI, and we are going to go to it, and we are going to go and change a few things. We are going to leave the settings as they are. Again, if you still want to tweak the RSI to best suit your trading style, then go ahead. Then we are going to uncheck that so that we remove the yellow line there. You can basically maybe uncheck some of these things. We don't really need them, but when it comes to the middle band here, we are going to just put a visible color there, maybe something like that, and we're going to increase it like that. I think maybe make it something like that, or it doesn't look, it looks too thick. Let's just keep it like that. In any case, let's increase the size of our RSI line here, and we are basically done, and we click on OK. So definitely the rules of the system is that we are going to wait for price to cross our uptrend, and an arrow for a buy must appear. But at the same time, our RSI must cross over our 50 line there. Then we are going to take a buy. Let's go for a long position. We are going to take a buy on the next candle, and we are going to look for a 1:1, 1:5 ratio, win ratio. That's all that we want. We are scalping. If you then move your stop loss too close, then obviously your risk to reward ratio is going to be certainly tighter, but that's all that we want. Our aim is at the most 1:2, but 1:5 is good with us because we are scalping. We are not looking for any other funny things. So that would be a good buy trade there. And here we have a cross. Here we did not take it because you can see what's happening with our RSI. That's why we need the RSI to filter out any bad trades. Then we waited for this, and we saw the RSI, it dropped below our 50, and then we'll then go in with a short position on the next candle, and our stop loss just above our previous candles there. Then we aim for our 1:5, somewhere there. Our 1:5, our trade is filled. We get out of the market, and that's all that you are looking for with this system. Here we didn't take this trade. Why we did not take it? Because our RSI was already way above our middle line there. Would then look for another sell here because it happened. Another sell happened there, and would certainly take a short position. Again, looking for 1.5 somewhere there. Here, that is what would have happened on that scenario there. Now, those are some of the basics that you can use to trade with this system. Here our RSI went back below the 50. Certainly they would have taken a short position somewhere around there, and our stop loss just above our previous candles, and let's just push it somewhere there, and our 1.5, where's our 1.5 there, and would have gotten out of the market. So these are the principles of scalping. You are just putting in a huge amount in your position. You're just collecting only a few pips, and you're out. A few pips, you're out. A few pips, you're out. That's how you do scalping. Now, the usual advice that I usually give to people is that what you want to do generally is, whilst you are trading on the 1 minute, understand what's happening on the 1 hour. You can see here we're actually looking like we want to drop below the 50, so we might see more sales coming in. The arrow just popped in there. We might see on the lower time frame more sales than buys coming our way. But if you are still a person who says I want to trade both ways, because in this scenario then I'll certainly be looking for more buys, because more sales. I keep saying buys, sales. I'll be looking for more on the selling side, because the 1 hour looks like it's selling. But if the 1 hour is buying, if the 1 hour is buying. In this scenario, if I'm on the 1 minute or the 5 minute, I'm more biased towards buys because that's what the bigger time frame is doing. At least if I'm wrong with my trade, I can suffer some drawdown, but eventually it pans out because why? I am going with the direction of the bigger time frame. So that's what you basically want to do with this system. If you are interested in this system, all these indicators are free on TradingView, and you can go ahead and test them out and see if you can also make some money trading with them. Subscribe, like the video. Guys, if you have any questions, comments, I will see you in the next video. Bye.
A place like this, it didn't exist, we made it like this. So you can go pick the bad or the good, got a glass halfway